everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the caption for the image and also how to insert list of figure in the MS Word. For this you have to click on the references, then click on the image, then insert caption. Give the figure name. Here is the options, label and the position. Labels should be figure for the images, okay? And if you want to insert a caption above the image, you can change the position, then click OK. This is how you get the caption for the image. Now I'm going to show you second way to insert caption. Just right click on the image, then insert caption. Give the figure name. Click OK. To insert the table of figures, go to references and then click on the insert table of figures. Check the caption should be figure, then click OK. So this is how you got the list of figure or table of figure in the MS Word. That's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, then please like this video.